In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact TradingView customer support via live chat. This process can be slightly confusing if you haven't done it before, but don't worry, I'll guide you through it step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the skills to reach out to TradingView support whenever you need assistance. Let's begin by heading over to your web browser. Type in the URL tradingview.com and hit enter. Once you're there, you'll find yourself on TradingView's homepage. This is where all the magic starts. At the top, or sometimes at the bottom, you should find a link labeled Help Center. Click on this link to proceed. The Help Center is a valuable resource on TradingView. It houses multiple solutions and guides for frequently asked questions. Once in the Help Center, you'll notice a search bar inviting you to enter your question or issue directly. This is an extremely handy tool, especially if you wish to find a quick answer without waiting for a response from support. Let's say you have a question about modifying your account details. You would type, for example, how to change my email address into the search bar. The system is pretty adept at recognizing common queries and typically offers suggested articles or guides that might solve your problem instantaneously. After typing in your question, hit the Enter key or use the arrow button next to the search bar. This is where TradingView's automated system will take over, starting with suggestions or directing you to their chat option for further assistance if your query doesn't have a straightforward answer. Utilizing the live chat is particularly useful for more complex questions or issues that the Help Center cannot resolve. Engaging with live chat offers personalized assistance, which can be incredibly helpful if your problem requires a more tailored solution. Remember to be as clear and concise as possible when describing your issue to the representative to get the best results. Now, throughout this whole process, it's important to have patience. Sometimes there might be a wait to get a response, as the representatives manage multiple clients. However, they are usually quite prompt and efficient once they connect with you. By following the steps outlined in this video, you should now be comfortably equipped to get in touch with TradingView's customer support through their live chat function anytime you require their expertise or encounter issues that need addressing. Don't hesitate to reach out to them. Their team is there to help, so you can focus on enjoying the features and tools TradingView has to offer. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Hopefully, with this guide, reaching out to TradingView support will be a much smoother experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!